Hello and welcome back to our creative corner. Today we are exploring two of the most eco-friendly and rustic craft materials, cork and jute. It's a very beautiful, durable and bottle corks to jute rope and fabric. These simple natural items can be transformed into beautiful handmade decor, gifts and mindful joy projects. So these DIY products are very useful. It will be really useful for you. And these are eco-friendly rustic craft materials from bottle corks to jute rope and fabric. These simple natural items can be transformed into beautiful handmade decor gifts and mindful DIY projects. Now let's dive into the world of cork and jute crafts, created budget friendly and sustainable. Why corks and jute? Comes from bottle stoppers and cork sheets. It's lightweight, easy to cut, and perfect for recycling. Jute, often called the golden fiber, is strong, rustic, and add warmth to any design. Together, cork and jute create the perfect rustic farmhouse charm. Cork brings a structure wide. Jute adds a soft natural finish. Both materials are eco-friendly, low cost, and versatile, ideal for crafting at home or even starting a small business. Coaster and traverse. Glue corks into round or arrow style shapes and wrap the edges in jute rope for a rustic finish. Mini planters, tiny corks planters decorated with jute twine make adorable eco-friendly table decor. Cork and jute wreath. Arrange corks in a circle, then add layer or jute rope and dried flowers. Perfect for door or wall hanging. Bottle decor. Wrap old with jute rope and decorate with cork buttons or beads for vases or candle holders. Wall hanging. Combine cork pieces and woven jute fabrics to create rustic wall art or bulletin boards. Keychain and jewelry. Cork charms with jute tassels or earrings made from cork slice wrapped in jute. And make some tree with these type of ideas. Crafting of fun is amazing thing for your mind. Did you know benefits of crafting? So these crafting ideas are amazing and useful for everyone. So crafting benefits we want to tell you about. This is stress relief and mindfulness. Crafting helps calms the mind, reduces stress, and brings a sense of peace. It works like meditation by focusing attention in the present moment. Boosts creativity and imagination, making things by hand encourages positive problem solving, imagination, and new ideas. Improve mental health. Crafting reduces anxiety, fights depression, and boosts happiness by releasing dopamine. They feel good chemical. Enhance focus and patience. Detailed work like stitching, painting, knitting, shaping materials and build concentration and patience. So crafting is improves motor skills. Activities like cutting, gluing, knitting, or painting strengthen hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a craft project builds self-confidence and gives a rewarding feeling of achievement. Crafting in groups or workshops create opportunities to create, learn, and bond with others. Many creators reuse or recycle materials like jute, cork, bottles, or paper, making them sustainable and good for the environment. Budget friendly decor and home. Homemade crafts are affordable alternative to store bought decor and make thoughtful personalized gift. Potential for a small business. Crafting can grow from a hobby into a profitable side business by selling handmade items online or at market. Designs and tutorials, we write comment in the comment section and we will try to upload whatever